Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe once again. So before we proceed and start working on our navigation drawer, first of all we have to add the icons which we will be using for our navigation options, or you can say for the navigation drawer. Okay, so the link will be given in the description down below. Okay, when you click on that link it will redirect you to here, that is the social network app icons.rar file. Okay, you can simply click here, that is this icon. Okay, when you click on it you can simply download these icons from here. Okay, so you can simply download it. So when you download it, this is basically a RAR file. Okay, so you can simply click here and click on extract here. Okay, so you can see that this is the folder. Okay, when you open this folder, here will be all the icons which we will be using inside our this social networking app. Okay, so you can simply copy all these icons. Okay, copy all these icons and now go to here inside the Indoor Studio. Here you can see this res. Click here and click in here inside this options. Here you can simply click on this show in explorer and go to the drawable folder. Okay, inside the drawable folder you can simply paste all these icons. Okay, and you can see that these are the icons which we will be using for our this social networking app. Okay, so please do not change the name of any icons. Okay, because I do not want you guys to get confused in the future video tutorial. Okay, by changing the name and things like that. Okay, so leave the name like whatever it is. Okay, whatever I have given to it. So these will be the icons for our social networking app. Okay, and later if you need any other icons then I will tell you about that time. I mean I will tell you all the things time to time, that is where we will be using these icons. Okay, so don't worry about that. So these will be the icons for our social networking app. Okay, so yeah, now close this and now let's start working on our this cool revolutionary social networking app which is just like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the navigation underscore menu.xml file. Okay, which is under this menu. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so let's go to the text and here you can see that this is basically our navigation. Okay, so let's first add more options. I mean, we can copy simply this item. Okay, and above here we will add we will paste that and we will change it. Okay, we will be adding two further options. Okay, so let's change the first one. I mean, the first one will be our post. Okay, that is when a user click on it we will basically update his new post. Okay, so we will name it as add new post. Okay, and the second one will be for the profile. I mean, when a user click on it, we will send the user to the profile activity where he will be seeing his profile image, profile status and relationship status, etc. Okay, I mean all the informations which you guys have already seen in social networking website like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, but we will add also more cool functionalities to it. So yeah, let's call it profile. Okay, so this will be our profile. Now let's add icons to it so then we can further work on it. Okay, so here we can simply write icon, and for the icon we have an icon by the name add underscore post. Okay, by the name add post. Okay, we have this icon, and then for the profile let's copy this line of code. Okay, so that we can, I mean, for the time saving we will change it the icon name for our profile. Okay, so for the profile we have an icon by the name profile icon. Okay, sorry for that, it is profile icon. Okay, and then also let's paste it here for the nav home, and for the home we have an icon by the name home. Okay, and for the friends, for the nav friends we have an icon by the name friends. Okay, and also for the messages we have an icon by the name messages, and then for the settings we have an icon by the name messages, and the last one is the logout icon. Okay, so we can say logout. Okay, drivable logout. So in this way we added icons to our these options. Okay, and here it is not displaying because these are just the options, but once we run the app you will see everything with your eyes. Okay, so yeah, the next thing is, okay, so yes, we have added all the icons. Okay, and yeah, we forget basically for the friends, I think. Yes, okay, for the find friends we can simply add icon for it also. Okay, so it is available by the name find people. Okay, find people or find file. Okay, so this is basically the icon name which we store inside the drawable folder. Okay, now let's test our app. Okay, if these icons are added successfully or not. Okay, so I run my app. So our app is running now. Okay, and let's see the drawable the drawer layout. You can see that the icons are added successfully. Okay, that is the add new post, profile, home, friends, find friend, messages, settings, and logout. So it is working really nice. I mean, it is awesome. Okay, so now the next thing is to add a header basically to our navigation view. Okay, so for doing that we have to create a layout. Okay, so click here, click new, and here you can simply click on this layout resource file, and the name for this will be, let's call it navigation header, navigation underscore header dot xml. Okay, click OK, and it is created successfully. Go to the text and change this constant layout to the relative layout. Okay, so from here we can, let me check it first. We have an Android width. Okay, it should be match parent, and for the height it should be 200 dp. 200 dp. Okay, and now let's add a background. So we can say Android background. Okay, and from here we have already available the header, background, inside the drivable folder. Okay, so click on it. That is by it is it is present by the name header. Okay, it is present, it is available inside the drivable folder if you go there and see. Okay, so this is basically the header for our header background for our this navigation header.xml file. So now here all we need is to add a profile image, and we will add a circular image view for displaying the profile image of a user, and then we will display the username. Okay, so for doing that all we need is to add a library. Okay, to add a circular image view here. Okay, so if I show to you guys, this is the link will be available in the description below. Okay, this link github.com this one, which is HDODNHOF. Okay, and this circular image view. Okay, so the link will be available in the description down below. You can simply click on that and it will redirect you to here. So if you come down here, this library, this is basically developed by this person, or you can say whatever. I can't spell the name of this person, but this is developed by this person. Okay, great work basically. He has done a good work. Okay, so yeah, from here you can simply copy this library. Okay, that is this dependency. So control C, copy this, and now let's go to our Android Studio. Okay, and from here you can simply click on this build.gradle module app. Okay, and after this we can simply paste it here. Okay, which is the dependency for using the circular image view. So now you can simply click on this sync now and wait for it. It will sync this dependency inside our this social networking app, which we called poster. Okay, so the dependency is added successfully. Okay, and now let's come here, and from here we can say DE, this one, this first one, okay, and the width should be 150 dp, and the height should be also 150 dp. Okay, yeah, it is fine. Okay, and let's select the source for it. So the Android source for it will be the profile default picture, I mean this one, that is, it is available in the drivable folder, okay, which is this one. Okay, yeah, it is perfect. And the next thing is to add a border width, okay, which is this one, that is, and it should be 2 dp. Okay, and we have give this border a color, so we can say this one, border color, and the color for it will be color primary dark. Yes, that's it. Okay, and the next thing which we need, okay, let's go to the design, and let's make it a little bit cool. So yeah, it is good. Okay, and the next thing which we will be needing is basically a text view to display the full name and the username. Okay, so basically we will I will tell these things in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, it is not important now. Now we are going to complete, I mean, this navigation header first. Okay, so yeah, from here we can simply add a text view to display the username. Okay, I mean the profile name, or you can say the username. Yeah, so here we can simply drag and drop this. Okay, and let's match parent. Okay, okay, not parent, because we not need it like that. Let me extend this so that we can see it more clearly. Okay, now from here we can simply write text. Okay, click on this view all attribute, no, view fewer attributes. Let's change the text size to, no, 16 will be good, I think. Yes, 16. Okay, and here we will display the user name, or you can set a profile name. Okay, okay, so this is our username, and the color, let's choose the text style, which will be our background light. Okay, so yeah, it is good. Now let's go to the all attributes. Okay, and the width for it will be 135 dp, sorry, 135 dp. Okay, and let's move it here. Okay, and the next thing is to give the layout margin. Okay, so from the top it should be 5 dp, and this username should be, from the top it should be 10 dp. Oh, sorry, yes, it is text view, sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, I don't, what's going, okay, it's not moving, so let's do it like that. Okay, now from the top it will move now. Okay, so we can set 10 dp. Okay, and now in the text here we can simply write text and click on this view fewer properties, and from here you can simply click here. Okay, so the username will be at the center for always. Okay, so yeah, it is perfect. Okay, and let's give IDs to these, I mean to the profile image and to the username. So for the profile image, let's call it nav profile underscore image, nav profile image. Okay, and for the text view we can say nav user underscore full underscore name. Okay, here we will display the user full name, full profile name. Okay, so yeah, we are ready now to add these things now. Okay, so first we will add the navigation and then we will add the navigation header to the navigation drawer. Okay, but we have to add the navigation drawer. I mean, we have to do the coding for it, okay, inside our main activity now. So for doing that, we just go to the main activity, okay, and here inside this main activity we can first add the navigation view. So we can say private navigation view, and let's call it navigation view. Okay, then we have a drawer layout. Okay, so we can say drawer layout, this one. Okay, and let's call it drawer layout. And then we have a recycler view also. Okay, so we can initialize the recycler view also here. Okay, so we can say recycler view. Sorry, it is recovery recycler view. Okay, recycler view, this one, which is basically our post list where we will display all the users post. Okay, but first we have to add the drawer layout and the navigation view. Okay, so let's work on it. So inside our onCreate method, what we can do here, we drawer layout equals to drawer layout find view by id or .it drawable. Okay, first let's go to the activity main XML and let's check the ID for it. Okay, so this is our drawable layout and we haven't given it to, I mean, we have not assigned ID to it. So let's assign ID to it. So we will call it drawable underscore layout. Okay, and now let's go to the main activity and here we can say drawable layout. Okay, oh sorry, here you have to write the drawer layout. Okay, sorry for that. And now we have to add the navigation view. So we can say navigation view equals to navigation view find view by id or .id and we know that the ID for that is navigation. Let's go to the activity-main.xml file and let's check the ID for our navigation view. Okay, so this is our navigation view and we haven't assigned ID to it also, so let's assign it an ID. So you can say navigation underscore view. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the main activity and here now we can say navigation 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 view. Okay, so this is our navigation view. So here we can say that is navigation view dot set navigation item selected listener new navigation view. Yes, this one. Okay, and you can see that this is, I mean, this on navigation item select method is created alongside with it. Okay, so now we have to basically access the option, I mean the navigation view options, that is these options on our navigation drawer. I mean we have to do it, I mean, by using coding. Okay, so in order to do that, all we need is to create a method. Okay, so inside this on navigation item selected, here we can simply create a method by the name user menu selector. Okay, user menu selector, and we will pass this item as a parameter to it. Okay, and you can see this red bulb here. Okay, click here and create method inside our main activity. So our user menu selector method is created successfully, and now inside this user menu selector method, what we gonna do, that is here we can simply create a switch statement. Okay, and we will pass this item. Okay, item dot get item id, get item, oh sorry, here I'm talking about, which is this one, get item id. Okay, item dot get item id. And now we will add all these options. We are basically enabling the user to tap on these options and go to the, let's say, if a user click on home, he will be redirected to the home activity. If he click on settings, he will be redirected to the settings, and if he click on logout, he will be logout. Okay, so I'm talking about these options. Okay, so yeah, we can say the first case will be for the navigation profile. So we can say or dot id dot nav profile. Okay, this is basically the id for our profile. If I show it to you, then you will understand it. Okay, that is this one. Okay, nav underscore profile, and all these things we are including it by using the coding. Okay, so we can say case, this will be our first case, and for now we will just display a toast message just to see if it is working or not. Okay, but later as you know that we will be working on it. Okay, further. So here we can say toast.make text. Okay, and the context is our main activity, which is this. Okay, and here we can say let's say we can write profile. Yes, profile. This will be our profile activity. If a user click on it, he will be sent to the profile activity. So we just display a toast message for now. Okay, to we basically check that either it is working or not. Okay, but later, as you know that we will be working on it, we have to do this step by step, because this is a long project and a very cool app. You can say a revolutionary app. Okay, so yeah, so the first one is our nav profile. Let's copy this and we will change it. Oh sorry, we will change it for the other, like you will change it for the first one is the nav profile, and the second will be for the home. So we can say nav home. Okay, and let's change the text here also. So yeah, and now next one will be for the, let's remove this profile, for the friend list. Okay, so it is by the name nav friends. Okay, so you can say friend list. Okay, and let's paste again, and next one is for the find people, or you can say find friends, which is by the name, let's check what's the name. Oh sorry, not here on our navigation menu. It is by the name nav find friends. Okay, so find this one, nav find friends. So here we can say find friends. Okay, and the next one is will be for the messages. So here we can say messages. Okay, colon, and let's write here messages. And the next one will be for the settings. So we can say nav underscore settings. Okay, and let's write here settings. And the last one is our logout button. So we can say nav underscore logout, and let's write here logout. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And okay, so yeah, I think we have added all the options. Okay, profile, home, friends, find friend, messages, yes, all these things. Let me check again either if we miss any option. Okay, we have left this add new post. Okay, because we are not going to add this button there for now, but in later parts you will understand that why I am not adding this button now, here inside this user menu selector. But we will we will add it. We will work on it. The add new post button. Okay, so yeah, we will work on it in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, so yeah, let's run our app and to see if it is working or not. So our app is running now. Okay, and let's the drawer move here. Okay, click here, I mean here. Okay, so it is here, and now if I click on profile, you can see it is working fine. Profile, home, friends, friend list, find friends, and messages, and settings, and logout. So it is working fine. But the one thing which is the header, where we will display the profile image and the profile name. Okay, so now we have to include that also. So for doing that, let's go to the Android Studio, and here on our main activity, here when we cast the navigation view, after this we can say view. Now we are including the navigation header on our navigation drawer. Okay, the drawer inside, I mean on our drawer layout. So here we can say view, and let's call it nav view equals to navigation view dot inflate header view. And now we have to add the navigation header here, so we can say r dot layout dot navigation header. So by writing this line of code, we are basically we are storing the navigation header, which is inside this layout folder by this name, navigation header. Okay, so we are storing it, we are storing the view inside this view type variable, which we call the nav view. Okay, so yeah, that okay. And yeah, let's run our app to see if it is working or not. So our app is running now, and now let's draw the, you can see that it is working nice, perfect. Wow, this is amazing. This here we will display the profile image of a user, the online user who will be online into his account, or you can say sign in or log in into his account. Okay, and here will be the username and all these things. Okay, so yeah, it is fine, it is working fine. So yeah, this is it for this video, and in the next video we will further work on it. Okay, so this is it for this video, and if anyone is new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, thumbs up for this video, and let us know in the comment section below if you like this social networking app. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.